Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: your company is planning to build a solution for an automobile manufacturing company. This solution should allow vehicles to send on-board diagnostic, OBD, sensory, and vehicle telemetry data to the cloud for analysis. You need to be able to identify individual vehicles from the data that is sent. What would be the most appropriate Azure solution? Option A, Event Hub. Option B, Load Hub. Option C, Load Central. Option D, Notification Hub. The correct answer of the question, option D. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.